Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to practice exercise 6F. Convert each of the following fractions into a decimal. In this conversion we have two types. The first type is the denominators will be 10 or a power of 10. Here you can check all the denominators having zeros, that is 10 are the powers of 10. In this type what we are going to do is you just count the number of zeros. As per the number of zeros we are going to place the dot. So it is a type 1. It is a first type. Just we are going to count the number of zeros and we are going to place the dot. Look at the first sum. It is 9 by 10. First step, you are going to write the numerator which is given, and the second step, count the number of zeros in the denominator. Here you have 1 0. So place a dot before one digit. Here we have only one digit. So place a dot here and 0. It is 0.9. 9 by 10 is equal 0.9. The next fraction is 23 by 10. Write down the numerator first. It is 23. We have 1 0 in the denominator. So we are going to place a dot before a digit. So it is 2.3. The next fraction is 6 by 100. Write the numerator. It is 6. Now count the number of zeros. 1, 2. We have 2 zeros in the numerator. So we have to place a dot before 2 digit. See here we have only 1 digit. For the remaining digit we are going to add 0 and then place a dot. 6 by 100 is equal 0.6. The next fraction is 657 by 100. Write down the numerator first. It is 657. We have 2 zeros in the denominator. So 1, 2. 2 digit before a dot. It is 6.57. 657 by 100 is equal 6.57. And the next fraction is 3 by 1000. So write the numerator. And in the denominator we have 3 zeros. We have only 1 digit in the numerator. For the remaining 2 digit, just we are going to add 2 zeros and place a dot. It is 0.003. And the next fraction is 17 by 10,000. Write down the numerator. It is 17. And we have 4 zeros here. 1, 2. But here we have only 2 digits in the numerator. So we are going to add 2 zeros and place a dot. It is 0.0017. 6059 by 10,000 is the next fraction. Write down the numerator 6059 and count the number of zeros. 4 zeros we have, and here too we have 4 digits. So we are going to place a dot and 0. 6059 by 10,000 is equal 0.6059. Look at the next fraction. It is a mixed fraction. 28,769 by 10,000. So here whole part is given. You just keep the whole part. First we will convert the fraction into a decimal. As I told you, write down the numerator first and count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here we have only 3 digits. Add 1 0 and place a dot. So in the previous exercise we learned after the decimal point the terms are called decimal, and before the point, that is left side, it is a whole part. Here we have a whole number that we are going to write here. So 28,769 by 10,000 is nothing but 28.0769. So next we are going to convert the second type of fraction. So in this type, the denominators will be a normal number. But in the first type, you can see that the denominators is 10 or the power of 10. But here it's not 10 or it's not a power of 10. In this type, we are going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Here the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4. Now we are going to use 4 table. As the dividend is less than the divisor, we are going to add 0 and place a dot. So in second term, we will get 8. Now subtract 10 minus 8, it is 2. Add 0 again. As we have placed a decimal point, we can add any number of zeros. So now we have 20. In fifth term, you will get 20. So that remainder is 0. It is equal 0.25. The quotient is the answer. Now we will write the answer. 1 by 4 is equal 0.25. Look at the next question. 53 by 16. So 53 divided by 16. Now we are going to use 16th table. In 16th table, we will get 48 in third term. Subtract 58 and 53 and 48. You will get 5. And now we are going to add 0 because the remainder is smaller than the divisor. You just place a dot here. Now we have 50. In third term, we will get 48. Subtract this. If you subtract, you will get 2 is the remainder. Add 0 again. 16 ones are 16. Subtract. 4 is the remainder. Again add 0. In second term, you will get 32. 16 2s are 32. And now the remainder is 8. Add 0 again. 16 5s are 80. Now the remainder is 0. Until you get the remainder as 0, you keep on dividing. Now the quotient is 3.3125. So answer 53 by 16 equal 3.3125. Now we'll move to the next question. It is 3 by 50. 3 is the numerator and 50 is the denominator. So divide 3 by 50. As the dividend is smaller, we are going to place a dot and add 0. Still it is smaller, so we are going to add one more 0. Now we have 300. And here you have to add because we are adding the 0 in the dividend place. So now in sixth term you will get exactly 300. Subtract. The remainder is 0. So 3 by 50 is equal 0.06. Now we'll write the answer. 3 by 50 is equal 0.06. And the next number is 17 by 40. As I told you, you just keep the whole number and divide only the fraction which is given. 17 by 40 we are going to divide. So as we have the dividend is smaller, we are going to place a dot and add 0. In fourth term, we will get 160. Subtract this, you will get the remainder 10. Now add the 0. In second term, you will get 80. 100 minus 80 is 20. Add the 0 again. In fifth term, you will get 200. Now the remainder is 0. So we got the decimal, that is 425. And here we have a whole part that you have to write before the decimal point. So the answer is 19.425. We'll write the answer. 17 by 40 equal 19.425. Yes, if the whole part is given, you just divide only the fraction and write down the whole part in the answer. Now, the third question, express 18 seconds of an hour as a decimal. Yeah, do you know 1 hour is equal how many seconds? Yes, 1 hour is equals 3600 seconds. Here we are going to find 18 seconds of an hour. To find that, we are going to convert the formula. 1 second is equal 1 by 3600 hours. So we want to find 18 seconds of an hour. So 18 seconds is equal 18 by 3600 hours. Now we have to divide the fraction 18 by 3600. As the term are bigger, we are going to reduce into the simplest form. Here we can use 9 table. 9 twos are 18. And in which term will you get 36 in 9 table? Yes, 4. Fourth term. 9 fours are 36. It is 400. Now we have 2 by 400. Shall we cancel this again? By 2 table. It is. Now we have the fraction 1 by 200 hour. We are going to divide 1 by 200. It is smaller than the divisor, so we are going to place a dot and add 0. Still it is smaller, add the 0 again. So now you have 1000. In fifth term you will get 1000. So if you subtract, you will get the remainder as 0. So if you divide 1 by 200, you will get 0.005. It is hour. So 18 seconds of an hour is equal 0.05 hour. We'll write the answer. 18 seconds of an hour is 0.005. Thank you, children. We'll see you in the next class.